Namaste everyone, this is Madhuri here from Madhuri Yoga, and today we are going to learn how to practice Surya Bhedi Pranayama. Before we learn the practical aspect of how to practice, let us learn the science behind Surya Bhedi Pranayama. According to the science of yoga and Ayurveda, the human body consists of various energy channels which are also called as nadis. According to yoga and Ayurveda, the three principal nadis or the energy channels in our body are Ida, Pingala and Sushumna. The Pingala nadi is a representation of the heat and warmth in the body. It is the right side of the body. Now, the right nostril, which is also called as the Surya nadi, is connected to the Pingala nadi. So, Surya is a representation of heat and warmth, and Bhedana means piercing or pushing through. So, in this pranayama, we are going to be inhaling through the right nostril. Now, let's look at how to practice the Surya Bhedana pranayama. Sit in any comfortable position. It can be Sukhasana, Padmasana or Vajrasana. Bring your right palm up. Close your index finger and middle finger. This is called the Nasika Mudra. Turn your palm towards yourself. Now use your ring finger support with your little finger. Close your left nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Use your thumb, close the right nostril. Release the left nostril. Exhale through the left nostril. So this is one round of Surya Bhedi Pranayama. Let's practice 6 rounds. Bring your hand to Nasika Mudra. Turn your palm towards yourself. Close your left nostril. Inhale. Switch. Exhale. Inhale. Switch, exhale. Inhale, switch, exhale. Once you finish exhalation, bring your hand down, keep your palms open, close your eyes. Observe your breath for a few moments. Notice all the changes before and after pranayama practice. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Since practice of Surya Bhedi Pranayama impacts our Pingala Nadi, it affects our digestive system as well. The digestive system predominantly works on the digestive Agni. Surya Bhedana Pranayama improves the heat or warmth in the body, thereby improving the digestion and metabolism. It also improves blood circulation. Surya Bhedi Pranayama is one of the easiest pranayamas to practice. As a beginner, you can start off with 10 rounds or 15 rounds and can go up to 30 or 40 rounds. I hope you found this video useful. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also share this video with your friends and family. Be kind, be present, be grateful, keep practicing. Let's meet in the next one. Namaste.